Nailed it.
There are a lot of things I like about living down here, but I think being able to just nip to the beach like that is number one. Great way of starting off the day.
I think this is pretty much the plan for the day now. Just gonna watch TV and eat jammy toast and play Spidey.
So what are you doing after this?
One thing I've been doing a lot of in lockdown is exercising. There's just nothing to do, so yeah, I've been leaning on exercise quite a lot. I think today marks my 30th day in a row of exercise. I've been using these Apple Fitness Plus workouts that link to your Apple Watch, so it feels like you're actually doing workout classes with other people instead of just standing in your carriage on your own.
Right, workout's done some chores, and now we're back on the sofa to watch the new Justin Timberlake film. Pretty standard lockdown Sunday.